In this video, I'd like to show you how to make a Replit project from some start code. So often during the course, I'll give you some start code, and then you can start working from there, or the examples, in this case an example, take some start code and we start programming from there together. So I share the start code usually via GitHub. So here's the repository with all the code. I'm just going to copy this URL. So Control C to copy that, or you can right click and hit copy. And I go back here, and instead of hitting the plus new REPL, I can import a repository from GitHub. So I hit the import, and then you can paste into here, so Control V, or you could have right click and hit paste. Okay, and that will import from GitHub. So a little bit different when you import it from GitHub, it runs this little command line thing where it clones the repository or makes a copy of it. Okay, so it makes a copy of that repository. Waiting. Once that's done, it should also give us some questions here. We select the language. So I'm going to select HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And there's this run button thing, which we're not going to worry about, and we hit done. Okay, so it upgrades to that, and now opens the editor with our HTML, CSS, and our little window here. It added this .replit file, which is just they're storing what language, and that run button, which we didn't do. But if we look at the index.html, it should give us the code here. Style.css has everything there. I hit run, and it shows me the wonderful HTML and CSS for this project. Okay, and now I can start working, right? Let's say I wanted to add some JavaScript to this, right? I'd go down to the bottom here, and we do our script tag, like so. And then I don't have a script or main.js, so I'd make a new file, main.js, and in here we'll just go console.log hi. Hit run, and there it is, logged hi to the console. Okay, so you can see that it gives me the code, and I can work on the project from here with that start code. If you go back to your user account, it should show up in your REPLs, right? The test ones we did, and now that JS Vivaldi one. Okay, so yeah, when I share start code with you, just import that repo, and you can then work on it in Replit. Okay, hope that made sense. Take care, and see you in the next video.